Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will learn about unified catalog in Microsoft Purview. I will just log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal on purview.microsoft.com, and if you are on the home screen, just click on Unified Catalog on the left pane, and you click on Catalog Management, Health Management. You click on Overview. So the goal of Microsoft Purview Unified Catalog is to not only provide a platform for data governance, but to drive business value creation in the organization. Now, historically, data governance has been a defense mechanism, a way to make sure your data is secure and compliant, but good data governance makes your data more visible to your users. And then it provides many opportunities to reunite your business with the data that fuels it. Now, most importantly, all of these new features are available in a single integrated SaaS framework. Users should not need to switch between applications to practice good data governance. Now, governance with the Microsoft Purview Unified Catalog. So in the new Microsoft Purview Unified Catalog, it allows you to explore and understand your data categorized by governance domains, search through AI-powered Copilot, and subscribe to data products that come equipped with all the data we need and tools to safely access it. Okay, now we have data governance principles like data access, data curation, data discovery, data health, data understanding in this field. And then we have corresponding catalog solutions. For data access, we have unified catalog data access policies. For data curation, we have governance domains. For data discovery, we have search and browse unified catalog. For data health, we have this health management. For data understanding, we have data products. Now, if you need to get started to make your information clean, valuable, and accessible to your business users, then you can also look for Microsoft Guide to get started with the Microsoft Purview Unified Catalog. I will use some of the reference from that guide, obviously. Now, to support good data governance practice through Unified Catalog, and then how the features that we discussed promote data governance principle, you need to explore the features in more details. Now, if you have access to the portal, then it's good. You should see how what the governance domain is, what the data products are, what are OKRs, what is health management, what is data quality, some of the options under here. So to give you a brief definition, governance domains allows you to explore data through business concepts like marketing or finance. This helps make data more accessible to everyone. Governance domains are a new way of organizing your data estate. You want and need to access your entire data estate, but a single uncategorized list is overwhelming. So what governance domain would do, it would create a boundary that aligns your data estate to your organization. Now think of it as a mini catalog inside Unified Catalog. Inside the governance domains, there are terms that defines users' day-to-day work. These are OKRs that align to the organization goals with the data. And then there are data products that make data discovery more straightforward for the users. So the basic goal of governance domain is to organize the unified catalog so that it not only drives healthy data governance, but ties the data directly to its business value and objective. If you see the access policies, which helps manage access to the data products and then set up a system to provide access to the users who request it. Then we have critical data elements. If I see this, then we have this glossary, because it gives the critical business context to the data assets. And if you talk about data products, they are an improvement on catalog organization that group data assets together. And when you talk about health controls here or actions, from controls, you can track the journey to complete data governance by monitoring health controls to track the progress. And when you talk about actions, these actions are concrete steps we can take to improve data governance across the entire data estate. The actions are provided in a single list that can focus the data governance journey and democratize ownership. And when you see this option, data quality, it enables the organization to set rules through the governance domains, data products, and the data assets that we have created. Okay. If you need any more information about data governance, admin, and all the other features, I'm sorry I don't have access to the real data because this is my lab. So I'll be able to only show you the portal and how the different options are aligned on the portal. But if you want to, actually work on this, you need to have a live environment, and then you should be familiar with each of the topics that we are discussing. All right. I hope this video was informative for all of you. If you have any further doubts, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.